trying for the very first time this Pinoy RV bus by Kim 1TV. So tara, join us! As soon as you enter, you're greeted by a very minimalist design. I actually really like it. It's very relaxing and it has so many space for you to store your stuff. Fridge is a great addition to this. The kitchen has the basic needs except the cooking will be done outside. So working in faucet and you have free drinking water here. Then additional space to keep your snacks.
Oh, don't say that.
There's also a working shower inside and with free conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. There's no water heater but works fine and I like it.
Yes, there's just box. Aircon, good. Stuff. And you can also exit the busway here. That's stuff. And that's your view. Kitchen is outside. What we use for door. I like this area. Water is there. Storage, good touch. More storage, I assume here. What is this for? Maybe this is light sockets.
Check natin yung toilet and shower. My partner said na it's clean. Also later, there's a projector here. There are games you can try. There's also a badminton court there. So, nice touch. Shower. The lights are here. Shower. There's a heater. Very good. And then the toilet. There's also lights here. Control here. For here. Toilet. Tissue. Very good. Bidet. Good. Lights. Good. Alright. Good. And there's the RV. Okay. For those asking, convenience stores, there are ones at the main road. So you're about 5 kilometers away. But there are also local stores. Sari-sari stores. And surprisingly, there's a coffee shop beside it. Over there. KTV bar, etc. So, no need to panic pag walang food, especially coffee. You can enter from the bedroom here, but also from the main door there. Kitchen. Let's check the kitchen. Kitchen, have induction, then stainless stuff. Sagot na nila, meron sila. There is a nice touch here. Citronella spray. Absolutely good. There's also one at the gazebo. So, alam naman natin, malamok. So, that's good na meron. Having this fan here is a lifesaver. Despite having the AC there. Because it gets really toasty. Because all of the windows here, it's making it super warm. And these are not tinted. As far as I can tell from outside. Since it's very toasty inside, we had to double the what do you call this? Makeshift. I don't even know. Curtain. We ran the recently Star Wars night run, so hindi pa kami totoong fan, pero ang talino po ng partner ko. She put it there. Okay, that's preventing the heat. You are so
Game
smart.
changer, guys. This one. It's a towel from one of our runs. It helps a lot because it's like an oven-ish. Although the aircon is working, but I think yung tama ng araw on the bus is a little brutal. But all in all, comfy naman yung bed. Right? You like it. Okay. So, just a solution for those who will stay overnight.
Okay, so we decided to check out yung gaming. But, since there is a coffee shop beside it, we'll check it out. We'll get a really ice cold drink kasi mainit. Then, babalik kami dito. Walking distance, ay literally ito lang. Dito sa bakod na to. Hello, gaming gazebo. Napagpag mo dyan. Shoes off.
Let's go, let's play. Mag-ano tayo badminton. Kung medyo umupa na yung init.
Okay, so this is what it looks like from the outside. And then, punta tayo sa coffee shop. Ito yung KP. CR10. And ito yung coffee shop. So, here na sa kapitbahay na coffee shop. Ito yung drinks nila. Meron din. Ganyan din. 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daw sila.
We went back sa RV kasi nagkakonting problema sa coffee shop. Medyo madaming tao and konti lang din yung staff. So, nakalimutan na lang gawin yung order namin after waiting for 30 minutes. So, inaliwan na lang namin yung mga sarili namin dito.
Ulit, madaya ka.
Hindi.
Madaya.
It's my first time to play and I got a bullseye. Thank you. Alright, let's check it out at night. Shoes off again. They provide also zippers too. Here we are. Let's close the door. Malamok. Alright, so I noticed na ito palang dalawa can be converted to a bed. I'm estimating this is a double bed. So there is a fan. And I forgot to show you earlier what it looks like here. Then since may mga katabi tayong camping grounds here, we're actually eating outside kasi mas presko. Quite warm inside. Then forgot to turn on the lights. Where's the light? Okay, how it looks like at night. So it's well lit. We do like it like that. And then aircon. We had an issue earlier because it was too hot during the day. So inoff muna namin and then we started it. So far it's okay. And also a tip, close this para yung cold is here lang. Then since gabi na, you have to close this. Right there, bed is really comfy. And those who are interested, what it looks like underneath. It's like that. Wooden slats. And again, earlier today, this was so good because yung tama ng araw was, itong mga curtains was not enough. So, huge help. But still, parang toaster-ish. But comfy bedroom, cozy bedroom. And this one is a huge help. Plus, we put the fan here also earlier. Yeah, and that's how it looks like at night. To show you how it looks like yung composting toilet na may light. So, that's how it looks like. And then, right in front of it is the shower. So, there's the shower. Nice touch that they have those things. And Tinakpan na nila to para hindi mabasa. We'll check outside. And then this is how it looks like at night. So the lights are lighting the path towards the toilet and shower. Water pressure is good sa toilet and shower, and then later we'll do some grilled fish. Kuya Nelson is the caretaker, and it was so nice to offer to buy those items we need. And then this one, there's a bonfire. Actually, kahit mainit, umokay na rin kami because malamok. So we need this. Kuya Nelson is here. There. Kuya Nelson is here. Yan ka daming ginger na kailangan mo lang. Guys, it's good. So this is exactly what it looks like at night. The gazebo with the games turns into a mini theater. And then by the RV, there's a bonfire prepared for us. Cool, right? I mentioned earlier, may KTV. May live band din pala sila. It's a staycation place. So, it doesn't really bother us. It's fine. And this is good. Nice touch.
You're only going to pay for her blood. Who do you think that guy is? He's got to be a person. Ready to find anything for anyone.
Okay, we're ready for bed. Sabi ni owner, we put a stool kasi there's no lock here. So, maybe stool can help. And we're ready for bed. See you tomorrow. Good morning. The morning after. Super comfy. We sleep. And the AC did its job during the night. Close natin. Pasok na mo. Bed is super comfy. Legit. I didn't want to use yung composite toilet nun kasi kawawa naman si Kuya Nelson to clean it. So, we're gonna use the bathroom here. This is for breakfast. And this. Let's do a quick recap, or actually a review of the whole place while I do my matcha.
Tahimik lang. Parang buhay probinsya nga. Yung vibe.
Yun yung mga vibe mo, buhay probinsya.
Ito lang. Hindi siya, ano pa ngayon. Maingay lang yung aso. Pero okay lang. Hindi maiwasan mo yun.
Ayaw mo ng dogs.
So naman. Tahimik. Nakaka-relax. Parang halikan na gumising. Parang ang saya. Sarap.
Actually, anong oras na ngayon?
Tadalas yung tulog natin.
What time is it?
Ano? 6:33.
6:33, guys, and the
Mukha
sun is
na
already out. Looks like 8 a.m. Okay, so what about the facilities? Like, how do you find the toilet, the
Malinis.
shower?
Malinis, maayos. Mm-mm. Malinis, maayos siya.
Nauna.
Ha?
Sige, go.
Malinis yung CR. Tubig, okay naman, di mahina.
Yeah, I was actually surprised sa pressure ng water. Dun sa toilet, dito, hindi namin trinay kasi iya naman kami ipalinis sa caretaker after we used the RV. So, there were no early morning bathroom trips naman, diba? So, at least from my end,
Pero gusto mo try mo? Later.
maligo dyan. Kung naman si Kuya, pinagtrabaho pa na.
Para ma-experience mo. Part of RB experience na.
Pwede naman. Pwede naman.
Ikaw na lang kasi mas mabilis ka maligo.
Tingnan mo to, guys. Matagal siya maligo. Mga 1 hour. Ako mga 10 minutes.
Kamay ka.
Sige. Pwede. Siya ako kay Kuya.
Ako nga lang maglilinis.
Hindi. Guys. So, this is the matcha. And this is my milk. Just go pour the matcha. So, wait. Ta-da! And this is... Cheers! Back to the review. Okay, change venue ng camera. What about yung review mo doon sa gazebo, yung gaming and viewing area? Kamusta kagabi? We had the bonfire pala kagabi.
Saya, first time experience. Kasi na-experience ko na na bonfire, hindi nakaganyan.
Pero yung pinanood na, inantok na po kasi kami.
Hindi lang maingay yung mga kapit ko.
Tabi-tabi po kasi.
Fiesta kasi.
Oo, pero kasi, the area, guys, is, I think it's a 900 square meter area. Solo nyo when you book this. I would like to assume. Pero, may kapitbahay po agad, locals. Tapos, sa other side
There's
campers.
a 10 p.m.
Quiet time. If you can hear the dog, okay din naman. I love dogs.
Wala naman tumatahol na aso ang gabi. So, okay lang.
Chill. Malamok ba?
Hindi.
Hindi. Pero naligo ako ng citronella spray nila. Kasi lagi akong kinakagat na lamok. Okay. For her, hindi daw malamok. Sige.
Hindi siya malamok.
Mhm.
Ganda, mahangin. Saya. Alam mo lang nasa
All
ano ka lang.
safety.
Talagang
Good. Sige. So, overall, if you maybe on a rainy day or bagyo season, would you? Kasi ngayon, kasagsagan ng summer, we're here ng May. Super init. Aside from the issue ng AC, maayos yung AC, pero hindi nila kasalanan yung tapon ng throw ng electricity sa buong area. So, every time na nag-aagawan, nadadama yung appliances. So, hindi siya lumalamig, ganun. So, overall, would you stay here pag bagyo season naman?
mas malamig. Tingin ko, mas malamig. Wag lang may mga siguro. Palakat-palaka.
Wala naman tayo naging issue sa palaka kagabi, diba?
Parang wala naman.
Ito ba yung...
Parang wala naman. Baka nandun sa ibang area.
Hindi, ako wala talaga. Sige. So, yeah, would you book it again?
Babalik.
Disclaimer, siya yung nakahanap sa Airbnb.
Tagal ko na nasa list yan. Tignan ko na. Hindi, parang maganda naman dito. Yun lang, sabi ko nga, niisip ko din na nga, sabi ko, summer, baka mainit yung loob. So, di ko din alam kung paano yung setup.
Yeah.
Kung sura, kung aircon, kung split type or ano. Pero okay naman.
So,
Comfortable.
yeah, overall, we will stay in this Pinoy RV van. Thank you, Kim Wan, for being so responsive sa mga questions namin. So, cheers! Hello! Cheers! Cheers! Saan tayo next?
Siya,
Yeah.